Friends, today we are going to start a new chapter, the very nice chapter. Okay, what does this chapter mean to us? It's very important. Before I start a chapter, let me ask you some questions. How do we tell there's a difference between alive and a non-alive? Means what is not alive? We can see. You can ask me a question, sir. The man is running. The boy is walking. The dog is running, cow is curding, or cow is chewing curd, man shouting, people can be that. We can say they are alive. It means कि when you are alive, how you come to know? So कि by certain activity, there are characteristics which help us to identify whether they are living or non-living. Okay, so what are this? Life means what? Life means what? Life मतलब जीवन. Okay, जीवन. How can I identify we are having, we are considered as living things? Okay, and what are non-living things? Let us identify with the help of one example. Okay, for example, I can move. Can I move? Yes. Can I move on my own? Yes. So can say the movement is called a self movement. It's called a self movement. The living things can move on their own. Non-living things, no self movement. They cannot move on their own. We have to push them. Okay, examples. Okay, dog, human being, and animals, plants, and microorganisms. We consider them as a simple one. Human beings are also considered as an animal. Okay, we have come under the classification of animal. So no self movement can be self movement. What can other thing? We can reproduce. Living being can reproduce. Living being can reproduce. Okay, movement, then reproduce. How can we get reproduce? So કે છે you know કે હું જન્મ્યો તો કે how I come to I'm exactly looking like my dad or mom. Okay, so that is called we can produce our same kind of species to the next generation, to the next generation. Same plants can do, same animals can do, same microorganisms can do. So we reproduce. Is it no reproduction? Chair, એક ચેરમાંથી બે ચેર બને ના બને. Okay, so it will not reproduce. And the very important, growth. કોઈ દિવસ એવું જોયું છે કે એક નાની ચેર હોય એ મોટી ચેર થઈ જાય? તો કે નો ગ્રોથ. બટ યસ આઈ હેવ સીન નાનું બેબી હોય સ્કીની, મસ્ત એકદમ સ્કીની અને નાનું હાડકા થોડા ઘણા બહુ ક્યુટ બેબી હોય. Slowly after the ages and ages by taking food, what they can do? Okay, they can do and they can grow. But do we think about કે પેન પેન્સિલ મોટા થાય છે? No, they cannot grow on their own. Okay, or there is no growth given. So this is how, these are the few characteristics of living things and non-living things. So this is the way there are visible and invisible signs which help us to identify which are the living things. Now guys, what exactly is called a living being? Okay, now living things કરવું હોય તો how can I maintain myself? So I need certain processes. Okay, so to the processes, now we come to the main topic, that to stay alive, to stay alive, to stay alive, to stay alive, I need to do certain things. I need to do certain things, and this processes to maintain is called life process, is called life process. Okay, so these are called life processes. Let us understand one by one life processes with the help of very good examples, taking plant and human being as two sources. Here I have a human being. I'm going to draw one human being. Okay, માની લો કે આ એક હ્યુમન બીંગ છે, મસ્ત સ્માઇલ કરતો ચેર કરતો છોકરો, અને here I have plant. Okay, these are the branches. These are the branches that they have, and there are certain leaves. I am not good at drawing. Okay, it does not look like a leaf, but think that they are the leaves and the flower bearing shoots, and this is all what that we have. This is called a plant. Let's say this is human, this is plant. Okay, what do I need every day to stay alive? What do I need every day to stay alive? Your answer is that I need fuel. Fuel. કેવી રીતે? If I want to do certain activity like walking, writing, listening, speaking, running, these all are the activities which a human being, a live thing can do. We know humans are also alive, plants are also alive. Yes, plants can go from small to the higher one, means કે it goes up. Tree પહેલા saplings હોય, saplings માંથી શું બને? પ્લાન્ટ બને, પ્લાન્ટ માંથી પછી મોટું ટ્રી બને, એટલે ગ્રોથ. બટ એમને શું જોઈએ? what they need a fuel. Fuel means what? I called it as a food, we call it as a food. બરોબર? તો આ food શું છે? It is what a fuel is needed. I need a car. A car has to take in something to be given. Without fuel, can it run? No. Now the car runs. Now what happened? Now what exactly happened? This food is directly utilized in our body in the form of sources, and that sources we call it as an energy. We call it as an energy. Where does it takes place? So that takes place, this energy is over here, it is absorbed. Where it is absorbed? તો કે what does it give? It gives energy by breaking. એને બ્રેક કરવું પડે, અને બ્રેક થાય એટલે આપણને એનર્જી આપે, તો એ એનર્જી મળે. બરોબર છે? તો ચલો, તો this is the first thing which we need, કે for animals also they need food to grow. For human being also we need a food to grow. ક્યાં? તો કે what is the food over here? તો કે CO2 એટમોસ્ફિયર માંથી લે, બરોબર, સનલાઇટ એટમોસ્ફિયર માંથી લે, વોટર વેપર નીચેથી આવે, minerals comes over there. These are the foods of this one. આપણા માટે તો શું? તો કે my best શું છે? તો કે pizza, not healthy but still. Then vegetables, okay. Then fruits, okay. સૌથી ના ગમતી વસ્તુ મિલ્ક, ઓકે. મમ્મી કહે પણ તો બી નહીં પીવાનું. those who are drinking milk, they are very good. I'm always vegetable. Then this meat, fish, this also food which people are eating, vegetarian and non-vegetable. This is the food. Now what exactly happened? આ food થયું બેટા. Now food ક્યાં જાય? તો કે food is always digested or absorbed in intestine. Then what about hands, legs, brain, heart? How do they get energy? So this food has to be transported somewhere. So here after that I get transport this. So one is the one which has to be moved. It's like that, we call it as a transport. Okay, has to move. Let's say it is moving. So let's move this energy from one place to another. Then what exactly happened? It breaks down. Burn. We burn fuel. Fuel ને burn કરીએ એટલે કે આપણે એનર્જી મેળવવા માટે we need to burn the fuel. And then what exactly happened? When you burn the fuel, જોજો, કાર રન થઈ, fuel burn થયું, એક જગ્યાથી બીજી જગ્યાએ ગયો, અહીંયાથી એક એક્ઝોસ્ટ નિકળે છે, જેમાં we have very very dangerous harmful gases are there. That is what we call that an exhaust. બરોબર? તો બેટા આ શું થાય? તો કે we can get this excrete, or then we can say that it's an exhaust or throwing out raw removal of waste. It's called a removal of waste. બનું waste બન્યું. અને to stay alive I need to do this all the process every day. ચલો હ્યુમન બીંગની વાત કરીએ તો આપણે ખાધું ઓકે we eat. Now that energy, now it is consumed over here, it is transported everywhere. ક્યાં ગઈ તો કે બીજી બધી જગ્યા પર ગઈ. હવે ત્યાંથી શું થાય તો કે એ બર્ન થવાનું ચાલુ થાય. ક્યાં ગઈ તો ઇટ ગોઝ ટુ ધ પર્ટિક્યુલર સેલ અને એ સેલમાં જઈ અને એનું બર્નિંગ થયું. ઓકે, બર્ન થાય, ફ્યુલ બર્ન થયું એટલે શું થાય તો કે એમાંથી જે એનર્જી એક્ઝોસ્ટ થઈ એ કારને રન કરાવે છે. એન્ડ આફ્ટર ડુઈંગ ઇટ મીન્સ અવર બોડી ગેટ સ્ટાર્ટ વર્કિંગ ઓન ઇટ એન્ડ ધેન એટ ધ એન્ડ ઓફ ધેટ વન વી હેવ સમ, આપણે સવારે ખબર જ છે ને શું થાય તો કે વેસ્ટ મટીરિયલ બહાર કાઢીએ છીએ એવરી ડે. કલાકે 2 કલાકે યુરિનેશન થાય છે, સ્વેટિંગ થાય છે. તો this is what we are getting out of our waste from our body, and this whole process, these 4 main processes are going on there in our day-to-day life, and to stay alive we need to do this thing. તો બેટા આપણે જે લાઈફ પ્રોસેસ છે આ ચારે ચાર પ્રોસેસનું નામ શું છે તો લેટ અસ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધેટ. તો એ 4 પ્રોસેસમાંથી પહેલી જે પ્રોસેસ છે એનું નામ છે ન્યુટ્રિશન, which we are going to study next. Then this is what જે એનર્જી જે ન્યુટ્રિશન લીધું એને ડિવાઈડ કરવું પડે ને તો એના માટે એક વર્ડ આપ્યો છે એ લોકોએ, ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન. that is what the another process which we are going to study. Then burning of fuel એટલે દીકરા શું તો કે burning of fuel એટલે combustion, અને combustion એટલે ક્યાં તો કે આપણી બોડીમાં જનરલી આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ એને respiration means what આપણે generally we call them as a breathing is a respiration, but no beta, biologically respiration is what the breaking down of fuel માં શું હોય carbs હોય. carbs એટલે શું તો carbohydrates can break down and give you oxygen and energy. Carbon dioxide and energy is utilized where so to do day-to-day life work, and this carbon dioxide is waste material. So to remove this waste material we have another process which we call excretion. What do we call that? Excretion. Okay, so these are the 4 major processes, life processes, which we are going to study in this chapter. So we have learned about what is life process. So you can say that life process, the processes which help us to maintain our body and the functioning of body is called life process. And there are 4 life processes which we are going to study in this chapter. It's called nutrition, transportation, respiration and excretion. Okay, so guys, what exactly happened? This is what we have to make. What do we use to decide whether something is alive or not? So this is what the characteristics of living માટે શું so કે their movement, their reproduction. એક બહુ મસ્ત વર્ડ છે એના માટે એવું કહે છે કે મિસિસ ગ્રીન અને ગ્રેન કહે છે મિસિસ ગ્રેન કોણ છે તો કે એક લેડી છે કે જે સ્કૂલમાં ભણાવતી હતી. ઓકે, એના નામ પરથી આ બધી લાઈફ પ્રોસેસીસ છે. આ કોમન છે, ધીસ ઇઝ આઉટ ઓફ ધ બોક્સ છે. પહેલું આવે મૂવમેન્ટ. ધ ફર્સ્ટ લાઈફ પ્રોસેસ ઇઝ મૂવમેન્ટ. સેકન્ડ ઇઝ respiration. Okay, growth, reproduce, excretion, nutrition. This is supply, એટલે કે transportation. So guys, these are the major, all the 7 life processes. Out of that we will study 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this chapter beta. So dear students, be ready for that one. We are going to start a very interesting and very nice chapter which is going to be help you for throughout your life. And yes, this chapter is very very important as it carries 6 marks for our examination purpose. Thank you.